everyone! Welcome back to my construction vlog! Today, I'll continue to share the progress of the house you've been following. Here's the overall 3D view of the house. Looking at it, we can visualize the entire space, from the layout and number of floors to the architectural form on the outside. In the previous episode, we completed erecting the steel columns and transporting some important materials to the roof. It's amazing to see everything taking shape. So, let's get started today. As you can see, the workers are erecting the formwork around the columns to prepare for concrete pouring. Materials are still being transported up to the roof. First, the workers secure 3 sides of the frame together before assembling it around the steel column. The frame is starting to go up. It looks quite heavy, requiring everyone to coordinate smoothly. If one person is off rhythm, the whole frame could tilt. This is where the team's teamwork skills shine the most. At this stage, the team is installing the remaining formwork panels to fully cover the steel column. This is the final, crucial step before the formwork is complete. Next, the workers secure the formwork panels together. Then, they continue with the other formwork frames. At this point, a worker is drilling the base of the formwork frame into the first floor roof, then using steel bars to secure it. This is extremely important to keep the frame stable and able to bear the concrete. Meanwhile, on the other side, 2 workers are cutting steel and bending it into rectangular shapes to make column ties. Watching this scene really shows the team's professionalism and coordination. Everyone has a specific task and is highly focused. Technical. Below, the workers have also started mixing concrete. With years of experience, each shovel of sand, gravel, and cement is added into the mixer accurately, ensuring the correct ratio. A worker is adjusting the concrete mixer, tilting the chute slightly upwards. The goal is to prevent the mixed concrete from spilling out, keeping it safe and avoiding material waste. Once the concrete reaches the ideal consistency, the workers transported close to the column formwork, preparing for the important step, pouring concrete into the columns. The most anticipated moment has arrived, pouring the column concrete. Since the column tops are quite high, workers scoop the concrete into small buckets for transport, ensuring even and safe pouring. Did you notice? While a worker is pouring concrete into the column from above, another worker below is gently tapping around the column with a hammer. This is a very important step to remove air bubbles in the concrete, helping it flow evenly. Adhere closely to the steel and formwork and ensure the column is solid, without any voids inside. The column is now fully filled with concrete. At this stage, a worker ties a weight to a string and uses a measuring tape to check the distance from the column to the string. This ensures the column is straight and poured exactly according to the design. After completing the first column, the workers continue pouring concrete for the next column. You see, maintaining the proper procedure for each column ensures the construction is uniform, solid, and on schedule. Every step is carefully executed, from erecting the frame to pouring concrete. Looking at the whole construction site today, it's impressive to see the smooth coordination of all worker groups. Everyone has a task. Everything happens in sync, quickly and safely. Watching the concrete mixer spin steadily with its loud rumble, you can really feel how lively the site is and how much energy everyone is putting in. The workers are sequentially pouring concrete for the remaining steel columns. The process is carefully followed, mixing concrete to the right consistency, transporting it up to the formwork, pouring it bucket by bucket, and gently tapping around the column to remove air bubbles. Every step flows smoothly, ensuring the quality of each column. Today comes to an end, and the project has advanced an important step. Watching the sturdy concrete columns gradually being completed, we can clearly see the team's effort and dedication. A truly memorable day on the construction site. So in today's vlog, we've seen the steps of erecting the formwork and pouring concrete for the columns in preparation for building the second floor. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you won't miss the next episodes. Goodbye, and see you next time.